In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Meta Business Suite app on Android. If you manage a Facebook page or an Instagram business profile, this free app from Meta puts your messages, posts, ads, and insights in one place. The safest and easiest way to get it is through the Google Play Store, and that's exactly what we'll do. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. On most devices, you'll find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. At the top, tap the search bar and type Meta Business Suite, then pause for a moment to let the results load. You're looking for the official listing developed by Meta Platforms Inc. Confirm you have the right one by checking the developer name under the app title and the familiar Meta icon. Avoid any lookalike apps. Once you've found it, tap Install. The download will begin right away. If you're on mobile data, keep an eye on your connection. A stable Wi-Fi network is usually faster and won't count against your data plan. The Play Store may show a quick progress bar while it downloads and installs in the background. When it finishes, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. Only download the app from the Google Play Store. Third-party APK websites can offer outdated or tampered files and may put your device at risk. The Play Store also gives you automatic updates and Play Protect scanning for added security. Make sure your phone is running Android 9.0 or higher, since older versions may not be supported. If you're unsure, you can quickly check in Settings under About Phone to see your Android version. Updating your device when possible improves compatibility and performance. To get the most out of Meta Business Suite, you'll need access to a Facebook page or an Instagram business account. The app is built for managing those assets, so expect a quick sign-in when you open it. If you only have a personal profile, it will still launch, but many features won't be available until a business presence is set up. That's all there is to it. Open the Play Store, search for Meta Business Suite by Meta Platforms, Inc. Install, wait for the download to complete, and tap Open. With the app installed, you're ready to manage your business activity on the go, all from one convenient dashboard.